Alright, here it is, everybody. I've been dying to open this box. I've been thinking about it all day. Finally back home. I'm ready to do it. So these lights are supposed to be compatible with your TV or whatever, so any changes of light that happens on your TV should happen to these lights also. I haven't done much research. I see one video on TikTok about it, and I was sold. A guy was playing a video game in the dark, and it was lit. So actually, let me read some of this box. Compact design, full light experience. Product requires a Phillips Hue bridge to control the light, not included. So that's something I probably should have to go buy actually. Compact and versatile, be creative with 16 million colors. Sync your lights with movies, games, and music. Dimmable only with Hue compatible devices. Can easily be mounted behind TV. But this thing, it says product requires a Phillips Hue bridge to control the light. So I need to go buy a Hue bridge. Either way it go, we digging in this box today. I have to go get some scissors. Box open. So, of course, it comes with instructions, as it should. And here are one of the lights. It's not much to this box actually. It's just like 2 lights. I guess this is how you connect both of them. Alright, let's get everything out of the box. Second light, same, nothing new, nothing different. Everything out of the box. Alright, so these must be the stands. Just, I guess, to sit them. If you didn't want to put nothing behind your TV, you just sit them in there. Actually, I'm not too sure. These are different. Let's see. What? I'm so confused. We'll get to that. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box. This is, I guess, the charger for all of them. These are where these connect to. Connects inside of this box, and it has the adapter for your wall plug. Clicks in just like that. Simpleton. Comes with some screws, some sticky adhesive, like 3M tape, but not 3M tape. Little sticky rings. And a couple screws, 2 screws, and an Allen key. Not sure what any of that is for. But honestly, I did not know I needed another piece to this, which I don't have time to go get today, so the rest of this video will probably be finished tomorrow. But I will connect these lights and hook them up, see how they look. see what they do without having to buy said piece. So this is just plugged in with no control. I guess this is like the standard color or whatever. They super bright, I can tell you that much. Like, they light up. Like, this make up a lot of light. But I guess until I get this said piece, this is the only color that it will illuminate, which is like a warm tone. Not even the white, it's like the warm sunnish color. Alright, what up? I'm back. My girlfriend woke up this morning and went and bought the stuff I needed. Actually, she went a little over the top. She bought 2 extra light bulbs, 2 unopened. It come with the Hue bridge that I need. This is a bulb starter kit. So it come with 2 bulbs and the Hue bridge. I just really needed the Hue bridge, but for the price, she just went on ahead and got the little, you know, the whole kit. Actually, no, the bridge wasn't available, right? The bridge was not available by itself at Walmart. And Walmart's the closest thing to it, so she just went and got this. So, let's get into it. I always forget to get the scissors first.
Is this background noise gonna be too much?
Nah, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Oh. Alright, second box open, baby. We here. Y'all can open it with me. Let's see who will come in here. So, we got 2 light bulbs. This is the power supply. Well, the adapter to the power. The wall plug piece. Then we got the Hue bridge. The thing that I need. I guess you gotta connect this to the modem. That's what I've seen. Ethernet cable. Cat 5. Yeah, Cat 5. Power supply. And 2 light bulbs. 2 light bulbs. I'm gonna tell y'all how much everything costs for this little setup. So for this, it was $140, a little bit less than $140, I think. So this was $140 for the two Hue lights, and for this kit it was $74, right? Yeah, $74, I think. So 75 bucks at Walmart, at least. I'm not sure what it is anywhere else, but at Walmart for 2 lights and the Hue bridge itself was $75. A little bit less maybe, but you can go cheaper just getting the Hue bridge, but we couldn't find just the Hue bridge by itself, or you can get just 1 light instead of 2. So there's a cheaper route if you just want to do that, but this is my setup. This is what I have, so. Alright, this is an overview of everything that came in the box. I have not read any directions yet, so I don't know how none of this stuff gets set up, but I'm guessing these are the 2, like this is to connect it to the TV, right? I'm not sure. I know this is the stand for it, so it can stand up if you needed to, but I think these are what you use to put it on the back of the TV. Like I said before, power supply and the adapter for it. Come with 2 little, what you call those, manuals. Then you got the 2 Hue lights. I'm shocked! You got 2 Hue lights, and then, you know, I think that was, oh no, these came in that box too. Some more paperwork that I need to read. And this came in that box. Then in the other box, we got the Hue bridge and Cat 5 cord. power supply, the adapter, of course, 2 light bulbs. This is my workbench for today. So I was just skimming through the little user manual, and so if you don't have internet router, this will not work, and you will need a computer, as it says, step 3, and you need a phone to download the app. So just skimming through. I'm not sure where we should place these lights, but most likely behind the TV, just because I like that effect better than it just sitting on the TV stand, the entertainment center. So the first step is to connect your bridge box, your Hue bridge, to the router. So I'm gonna go do that, but since that's in the laundry room, I don't have anywhere to set the camera up, so I'm gonna just go handle that and come back. Alright, so here lies our problem. I live in an apartment, and this is where my router box is. You might actually get some interference on the camera from being this close, but it actually does have a plug here for it, and it is on, it's connected there. I need to find a way to set this up here so I can close it, because we do have a dog, and the dog sleeps in here. So I'm gonna get this all figured out, and we're gonna finish up the setup. Alright guys, we got it all zipped back up. It's closed in. It looks a mess currently, but just for this test stuff right now, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, yes sir. Alright, so I have to install the app on my phone, but before I get everything set up, I'm gonna get these put on the back of the TV. So this goes on the back of this. They give you one little screw and some adhesive that goes on the back of the TV, which is that.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I got them both positioned to where if you're looking on this side of the TV, you can't see them, except for the cord. Looks better off camera, but that side set up, then you got this side set up. Can't see either from the outside. Now I need to get everything else hooked up. Alright, so right now I'm getting everything connected to the Hue bridge through the app. And I need to find the software to download on the computer. I don't know if this is mandatory or not, but it's step 3 on this paper. So currently this is updating for the Hue bridge. Alright, so I just found out I need another piece to this to make it work with the TV. So for now, we got the lights here. You can see one is pink and one is green. Like, you can change them. Change it to blue over here, and then I'll change it to yellow over here. But yeah, so this is gonna be it for this video until I get the Hue sync box where you can connect it to your TV, your gaming system, and everything, your music. So Hue, Phillips just getting all my money, so